In this video, we're going to delve into the E8 error code or fault code, found in air conditioning systems. Let's start by saying that the meaning of this error can vary depending on the model and brand of the equipment. We'll group them based on the similarity of their meanings. A. The meaning of the E8 error can be related to overload, overheating, or overcurrent of the air conditioning compressor. This meaning is valid for brands such as General Electric, Daikin, Gree, Lennox. To overcome this issue, it is recommended to disconnect the equipment from the power source for several minutes to reset it. Check the proper operation of the fan in both the external and internal units. Perform cleaning of the external unit's heat exchanger, internal heat exchanger, and air filters. B. E8 can mean that there is overheating in heating mode or freezing in cooling mode in the evaporator. This issue is related to brands such as Shigo, O. C. Another meaning of the E8 error is related to communication problems in systems with multiple evaporators. The brands associated with this meaning are York, Midea, Toshiba, Panasonic. In this case, disconnect the equipment from the power source for several minutes and reconfigure the system. D. Problems with a remote temperature sensor. For example, for brands like Actron Air and TCL, it suggests an issue with the outdoor discharge sensor. For McQuay, it suggests problems with the ambient temperature sensor, probably an open circuit. E. Another interpretation of the E8 error is related to fan problems. The brands involved with these meanings are in Midea E8, it may mean that the outdoor fan speed is outside the normal range. For Carrier E8, it represents a malfunction of the outdoor fan speed. For Akai, the error code E8 is related to problems with the indoor fan. For Sharp, E8 means protection of the indoor fan. For Gree cassette type, if the indoor unit does not receive the signal from the indoor fan motor for 30 consecutive seconds when the fan motor is running, the E8 error is generated. E. Some manufacturers associate the E8 error with communication problems between the indoor and outdoor units. Among the brands in question, we have Haier, Mitsubishi. F. Finally, we can say that for the Mirage brand, the E8 significantly changes its meaning for each model. It is recommended to consult the equipment model directly